Guys, in this video we're going to compare the WLtoys across to the HBX Transit, and Jake over there's got one as well. All of these are completely and utterly standard, no lock diffs, everything as they come out of the box. So let's give them a little run and see which is better, because you guys kept saying in the comments which is better, so now we can see. These come with a 2-speed gearbox, this doesn't, but it's faster, so we're going to see which is better speed wise and which is better off-road. Look at it go! I'll tell you what, I'm impressed with these WLtoys, how powerful the turbos are. We've got one of these in low gear, one of these in high gear, and this one's only got 1 gear. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, tumble wumble! Alright, so the WLtoys is definitely the faster one, but not by that much.
Alright, I won't be long. We're jumping it.
Alright, so which one's the most capable? So far they seem about the same capableness. Oh, he's cross-axled, he's spraying mud already. That's where he got to lock the disc up. You in high speed gear? Yeah. Oh, one transit's got stuck.
Maroon.
Oh, they're both getting stuck.
Yeah.
So I might have this.
They might be stuck to each other.
Oh no, they can all do it. They're all doing it. We've just got a bad driver up in front. Alright, here we go. Let's see if the WLtoys can do it in one hit. Just going slow here, the GoPro's falling off. It's crawling up there, lovely. We've got the other transit behind. Oh, and they're struggling. Oh, I've crashed. I've crashed again. The HBX is getting stuck. Oh, but I think he's caught on a twig. I'm caught in something here as well. Oh, and he's made it. He's made it. He's made it all the way up. Yes.
GoPro's there, mate.
Sorry?
GoPro's just there.
Oh, that's where my GoPro went. Hello.
There's got a twig stuck on it.
Alright, twig removing. What one do you reckon's more capable?
I reckon they're about the same, really.
They do seem fairly even.
They do look very similar as well, though, don't they?
Yeah. I mean, is the 2-speed gearbox an advantage on the HBX? So. But it might be when you put bigger wheels on.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, straight up. Oh, straight up. Easy work for all of them. The WLtoys is definitely faster. Oh, it drifts. Oh! So this is WLtoys versus Transit up a hill. Go! Right, so crawling wise, this is going slow. And we've run up. Oh, WLtoys falls over. The first to get up the hill wins by any means possible. Oh, we crash again. It's a challenge. Which is going to get up there first? Oh, nearly. Oh, and the WLtoys does it. Then the other two do it. Oh, and Jake does it. This one has got a disadvantage of having a GoPro on top. Oh, it does it again! What are you doing, Jake? How old are you?
13.
This is what school kids do this day and age. I talk about flat earths and draw sausages. Jake's mum's gonna be proud. What's Jake's dad think?
It's a helmet.
It's a helmet.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Oh, alright, so which one's better? Tough call. They're both pretty good. You can't really go wrong with either of them. They look fairly similar. They're about the same size. Prices, this one's a little bit more, this one's a bit cheaper, but the prices do fluctuate. So I'm going to put a link down below, guys, so you can see what the prices are. The benefit with this one is it's got a 2-speed transmission that you can select high and low on your remote. And it's actually a high to low gear. It's done mechanically. It's got a separate servo in there for it. And with these small wheels, there's not really much advantage of putting it into the first gear, even though it does make it a little bit better for crawling. But when you put bigger wheels on these, that first gear does definitely help because it lowers the gear ratio and it makes it easier to get over obstacles. Now this one here, the benefit is, even though it's only got one gear, it is a lot faster. I mean, when we've done the side-by-side race and just acceleration and everything, this one is definitely faster. And, you know, this one does feel a little bit slow. So it probably could do with a faster motor. This one comes with a 390 size motor. This one comes with a 540 size motor. So the motor in here is actually massive for the size of the vehicle. But one drawback there is that the battery life is about half here. This one here, this battery went flat on this one. And this one kept running for about another half again. So, but you know, you probably can get some bigger batteries in there. So overall, guys, you know, just get whichever one you like. You know, they're both good. They're both a lot of fun. You know, ultimately, just get whichever one you like the look of. So I hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Link to both of these cars in the description box down below. See you soon. Bye. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year.